Right foot sa kabila. Good, good. Left foot sa gitna. Good job, good job. Hanap ka ng apakan ng left foot mo, anak. There you go. Stand up, pull.
Right foot, dyan sa malakas. May malaking rock between your knees mo. Malaking rock, ha?
Go, Therese. You can do it. Left foot on the big rock, Therese.
Mawakan yung rope.
Good job, good job. Step up. Good job. Okay, step up. Good. Hanap ka ng apakan ng left foot mo. Yan. Okay. Okay. Pull. Pull yourself up. Good. Right foot on one of the rocks. Okay. Ang lakas ni Kuya. Go, Kuya. Go, Daddy.
Go, Daddy! Ate! Nanawagan po kay Trixie and Zoe! Amy po!
Yan. Okay. Pull. Pull, Therese. Pull. Ah, okay. Okay. Reach for it, Therese. Step up. Green rock, Therese, with your right hand. Good job. Okay.
Maria Carisma!
Stand up, baby. Pull, Therese, pull. Okay. Therese.
Trixie and Zoe!
Left foot on the big rock on your left. The one you're holding.
Maria Flores po! Maria Carisma! Maria Carisma!
Naku, na-stuck na. It's okay. Right foot on, yan.